ಹೈಫೈ ಲೈಫು ನೋಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಫೈ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೊಗಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧನವಾಗಿರುವುದೇ ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್. ಜನರಿಂದ ಜನರ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಸು ಹರಿದಾಡಿದೆ, ವಿಷಯ ಹರಿದಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಝೀರೋ ಇದ್ದವನ್ನು ಹೀರೋ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
In about 15 days to 1 month, our waste going to the landfill can reduce by 50% in our opinion. Now we are trying to increase more and more and trying people to have more commitments. Now corporates committed about themselves and their company.
We will make it a zero waste place.
What is more important is that there is an opportunity now for citizens who want to do something to be heard, to share and to take part.
We want to adopt waste management in our houses.
Now we need to see after this whole euphoria what will come through. I really truly hope that this time whoever has given commitments is really serious about it and will make sure that it comes through.
So what we have tried to do over the last 7-8 days is really to tackle the issue of how we can bring down waste in the area of bulk generators, and we have set a date that by June 5th we will work to try and bring down where 1500 tons per day out of the 3500 is managed by the bulk generator and does not hit the BBMP system.
I think the government and citizen connect is very critical.
So basically we go to corporates, apartments and schools and we ask them to segregate their waste into dry waste and wet waste.
கவருங்கெல்லாம் வேறு பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க, இந்த குறுக்குறு கவருங்க வேறு பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க, அப்புறமா அந்த சாப்பாடு அது இதெல்லாம் வேறையாக கொடுக்க சொல்கிறாங்க.
This is a fully automatic composting machine which converts all your wet waste into a compost within 24 hours.
Until people participate and understand the need for a holistic and sustainable waste management, we are not going to solve this garbage problem.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
We are painting 3 murals here that are community murals, participatory murals, where we encourage the community to come and paint with us. These murals give the message that basically communities should segregate their garbage, and that these murals are ultimately going to go on 3 dry waste management centers.
I wanted my kids to kind of look at what problems waste is creating, at least get them an awareness of what waste is creating a havoc and how it can be otherwise reused.
Personally would believe that this is the start of the event, and I think there should be a lot more to go into these kind of activities where people can actually start realizing what they have done to the city and what they can actually do.